Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this liquid filling machine. It's for, of course, liquids such as water and soft drink, oil and other thin liquids too. It is made by YTK and it comes with a compact design with 3 or 4 stainless steel. This is one of the smallest size of its kind on the market. Most compact design. Whole machine is made of the stainless steel materials, including all the screws and of course nuts. It comes with a food grade transparent silicone pipe, the temperature resistant high or low. The pipe still remains the flexibility in cold environment too. Food grade, safe and transparent, non-toxic, harmless and odorless. Flame retardant, it will not ignite with fire. The surface is hydrophobic, non-sticky and isolate to many of materials. And we have a paddle switch. Comparing to other devices which does not have a paddle, here it comes a nice paddle on top. It's more durable and accurate withstand the force applied by our foot. And beverage, white wine, vinegar, soy sauce, fruit juice, soy milk, goat milk, plum jar juice, mineral water and lotions. Everything is possible because there is a wide application. The liquids can be filled. It must be a pure liquid, free of impurities, and it should not be sticky. Ointment body cannot be used, okay? The gear pump with the speed adjustment, high liquid flow speed, and repeatable filling accuracy is really awesome, not only in the industry. If you have a small liquid filling job, you can make it with that. This small machine has a crucial difference from other similar product in the market, which is the pump. Other similar products use gear-graben pump. This is a gear pump, which is 3 times more expensive. We can adjust the board itself. It works as a relay combination with 3 shared parameter settings to achieve different working effects. This is basically all what we need to know about this machine is OP time, operation time. The OP time is the filling duration. The final filling volume is determined by filling duration and filling speed controlled by us. Then we have the close time, the CL time. That is like an interval time or breaking time between each filling process. This is useful in automatic filling mode, like the P3.1, and of course the loop numbers, LOP. The loop counter counts how many times we want it to fill, also useful in auto filling mode too. They initial the filling signal by pressing the buttons easily, and it starts and makes its job. We can make start, we can see what's going on, how much we adjust before. We do not use the pump while it's dry, okay? Without the lubrication of the liquid, the gears will wear out more quickly than we think and shorten the lifespan of the pumps itself. We can press it easily and you can see it will refill it easily and awesome. When the machine powered on, the board will blink and we show which mode we are on. P.1.1 by default, and it is stop blinking and shows 000. This is the main page. When we are at the main page, we can long press the set button to enter the mode choosing. When we can use increase button or the decrease button to choose different mode we want. We can make a set, and we can up and down with the volume, for example, and of course with the loop timer. We can set up the liquid, how much liquid it will be refilled each process. As well, we can stop the entire process, or we can start the process by hand. It's really awesome if you are having a filling job in the future. This is the YTK Liquid Filling Machine for liquids such as water, soft drinks, oil, and other thin liquids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.